Hi guys, welcome to new video. Today's video is going to be very helpful for you because in today's video we'll teach you how to defend yourself if someone grab your collar in the street or in street fight. So let's start the technique. If someone grab your collar in this position and his arm will straight, then you will do this technique. You have seen on YouTube that many martial artists teach this technique. This is not good because in this technique your opponent can grab your neck. Now I'll show you the other one, and if you do this technique is also not so perfect for you because even in this technique the opponent can hit you in the face. Now I'll show you the perfect technique. In this technique, first of all, you will defend yourself with the other hand like this way. Now you will bring your first hand in this position. Again watch this position and lift up, grab. Now you can check my second hand in this position. Now round and bring your second hand under his shoulder, lock him and hit your knee on his tummy. Guys, now I'll show you this technique from the other side. So let's start. If you grab your collar in this position, now step number 1, block. Step number 2, bring your arm in this position, lock his first arm. Now bring your second arm over his neck and lock his second arm in this position. Now hit your knee on his tummy. Guys, hope you like this technique, and if you want to learn this technique, then do the daily practice every step 30 to 40 times in a day. And when I do the technique, stop the video and see how I have kept my body position. If your body position and stances are good, then you can do this technique well. And guys, if your stances and your body position is not good, then you can't do this technique. So guys, if you want to learn more interesting techniques, then subscribe our channel, like our video and share our video with your friends, and don't forget press the bell icon. Thank you.